Welcome back, my people. Yo, so it's Friday. Man on the wife. We about to go to Vito'S. I believe it's on Wethersfield. I believe it is. It's going towards Walmart. So say Rocky Hill, you know what I mean, type shit. So I've been dying to do this food review for like a year or two now. And I was gonna take my son out, you know what I'm saying? But I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna go to Vito'S and go get me a deep dish pizza. Never had a deep dish pizza, this will be my first time. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, all that good shit. Jump cut. Welcome back, because we in here. So, okay. Should we get a small one or a large one? We in here. Sorry for the lighting, my people. I don't know. Y'all not gonna have no wings, my people. Thank you.
Do you want that water in a kid's cup? Yeah.
Thank you. So this is like a hella fancy place. It's like hella fancy. I mean, what you think about the place, man? You like it? Yeah. Not like yeah. It's not like it's not like Fat Frank. Yeah, no, you ain't lying. But let me check this out. Vito'S restaurant and bar. Yes. We would like to order the. Do you guys sell any chicken wings?
We do have chicken wings. Yes, they're not on the menu.
Beautiful.
Yeah. We do like barbecue. We have buffalo, of course, and I believe that's it. You can also get them plain, of course, and sauce inside.
How you want that?
Plain.
Yeah. Well done.
Then what kind of sauce do you guys want this on?
What?
Up to you, my love.
So I'd say like the barbecue and the buffalo as well. And we can do like ranch and red cheese on the side.
Okay, so we do buffalo with the blue cheese.
You guys, you want that out before or with the pizza?
With the pizza.
Yeah, with it. Anything else for you?
You want something to drink, my love? Any sodas? Y'all have any sodas? Any juice?
Yeah, we do.
Can you tell us our first time in here?
Yes, my first time.
I hope you enjoy it. Yeah, it's good.
Thank you so much. Jump cut.
Something that was here in the policy.
Look at that. Here, babe. Let the wife go first with it. Let the wife go first with it.
It smells amazing.
It does. It really does smell good. Shit, garlicky. Look at the garlic. Bro, look at the garlic. Oh.
I'm not a bread person.
Wow. Hold on, y'all gotta look at this.
Let's go.
Wow.
This is nice and hot. It's nice and hot.
Oh, I got it. I got to get on it. I got to get on it.
Is that butter?
I think so, my love. The butter, right? They do have chicken wings. It's just not on the menu, dog. So luckily, we asked. Can you put some butter on mine? That's what it needs, right?
I'm putting butter on this one.
Well, whatever you can put butter on for me.
Huh?
It's just two types.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, I know that.
Have a good night.
Oh, not.
What is that? Onion? What is onion?
Onion, garlic, parsley.
Hold on.
Thyme seasoning?
Hold on. Look at that. Wow. Which one you want?
soft. No, I think you taste it.
No, I have not.
It's so airy inside.
No way. Oh my goodness.
Come on.
You want a bite?
Bread.
It's bread.
Well,
It's like garlic bread.
garlic bread.
I like garlic bread.
Okay.
What you give it? I give it a 7.5.
I'm not a big bread fan. I think I said it like 1,000 times. But that is some soft ass bread. And the garlic bread is not like extra garlicky.
It's not.
But
I don't taste no garlic.
it's good because it's good. I'll give it 7.2. Oh, that's definitely onions. I've never had garlic bread with onions.
Me neither.
That's gonna be different.
You throw some butter on the buns. Can I buy you a knife, my love?
Oh,
Let me help me.
it looks like a seashell.
Good girl.
I mean, this will definitely hold you over.
Yeah. Vito'S, good job. Waiting for the food to come out, my people. Don't cut. Beautiful.
You guys, just a few more minutes on the pizza.
All right.
Thank you. Thanks. Yeah, I've never seen this movie. Tom
Tom
Cruise.
Cruise. He made that movie, The Mummy. Trash.
This is November 4, 09er 9er.
Super trash.
What the hell? I literally do not remember this movie.
Very good crisp. A very good crisp. That crisp. Ooh. Let's get it.
Damn, it was that bad. I didn't. Cause I remember the girl now. Okay.
And these things are really nice and breaded, bro. If you can see it.
I'm bad. Oh, that is a good flavor. Ooh, that is crunchy. We're gonna break my teeth. Oh, they kind of big cuz. Oh, you would like it.
This is buffalo, right, baby?
Yeah.
Yo, that is a nice.
Yeah, I can definitely do without the buffalo sauce. Thank God I said sauce on the side.
That's why I let you order it.
That's right. I thought they were gonna have like,
Like the cup.
yeah.
With these, my people.
Okay, so
I love this buffalo sauce. You don't like it?
I love it, yeah.
No, I love it. Let's not talk about mine like that. You know what I mean?
Hey guys, are we waiting for a pizza with our wings? So the chef was telling me that the pizza burned and you put another one in the oven.
Okay.
I'm sorry, but what's happening? But he was like, I can't serve that. So
No
I'm
problem.
really sorry, but it'll be out in a few minutes.
No problem. The beans are amazing.
Good. Yeah, they gotta be boned.
Yeah, of course.
Can I get you guys anything else right now? We
No,
don't
we're
I'm
all set.
good.
We're all set.
Thank you.
so much.
Patriots?
Yeah. Thank you,
Thank you
brother.
guys. Sorry about that again.
Well, no
Okay.
problem. That's what's up. I just came out and told you.
You a fork? It's like a cream. It's almost like ice cream. Yeah. You taste it?
Drew, they're talking to you.
Say no, thank you.
This is a more what?
Tiramisu.
I don't know what that is. I don't even know how to pronounce it or say it.
That is this.
Okay, I know that, but I don't know that. I'm just saying I don't know how to say it.
It's like a cake that's just like coffee.
Yeah, I know. I just don't know how to pronounce it.
That's good.
I don't want to own that.
I think you're supposed to eat it like.
Like finger
Yeah.
food.
I like that cream.
Oop.
You better not. Oh my god.
When we take all that cream out. Oh, okay. I'm gonna take that.
So, I was gonna put the cream on it. You're lucky. Do not put a face. Do not even have your body. You better swallow it. Swallow it. Look, you got some water right here.
It's okay. That's not.
The one from the store,
Yeah.
it's like a lot of cake layered in the cream. Like, it's not
That's
like a lot
why.
of
That's
cream.
what.
For this one, the real is a lot of cream.
It's like.
The real part.
It's like hella airy.
You gotta mix it with this.
Oh, okay. What's that right there? The cream. I mean the cake part.
The cookie, but dunked in like
That's what. Okay.
it's dunked in like the coffee thing.
Yeah. Okay. Back.
It takes away like the creaminess.
Yep, you're right.
Honestly,
7 Night Juju.
calm down. Where is it? Oh,
What's on
careful.
this shoe? Watch your head. Watch your head. Okay, you good, puppy.
And it has a strong taste of coffee.
That is good.
Which is
With that is
yeah.
good.
See, this is good too, but the roof of my mouth, it hurts. It's gonna stab me in my gums. I don't know how you don't like cannoli.
I don't taste no sugar. I don't taste no sugar.
I'm trying to hurt my gums.
I don't know. You see it. You just take like a bland cookie.
That's what you cream.
I don't like the cream. You like coconut or no? I got some Girl Scout cookies at home. I got 2 boxes of them things. You know, my people that's what review, I get up out of here, bro. It's like 8:30 waiting for my check. They close at 9, I believe, but that's what I said on the website. So make sure you hit that like button, subscribe, all that good shit. Jump up. Now you did.
Look at my paper.
Jump cut. Until next time, stay tuned. Carry on, everybody.